Air is life. We bring healthy and fresh air to where life happens, to your home, to the office, and to your children's school, regardless of whether it is a new building or an energy-efficient renovation. We develop and manufacture our decentralized ventilation systems here in Thuringia, customized and adapted to your construction project. Our first-class service goes hand in hand with the high quality of the inVENTer ventilation systems, continuously checked by our development team. We have a ventilation solution for almost everything: silent, invisible, and with innovative wireless technology, saving heating costs and protecting the environment with energy-efficient ventilation. That's our motivation. We help with planning and design quickly and professionally for your dream home. This is ventilation made in Germany.